Closer. Si Salita. Maya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Kayo maganda po na ng picture. Birthday to you. Blow, blow. Okay, blow. One. Wow. Siya ng 1 to 8. Okay? Now, girls,
5, 6.
all the girls will get,
Okay, get all the girls.
get one number.
All the girls
One.
up.
Sister Nora.
Yes, darling.
One. Ay, sorry. Kumuha ka na, Troy. Kumuha ka na.
Sister Lita.
Ay, teka, di sa dalawa. Ay, Sister Marcy. Dalawa na ako Tawag na lang kami na.
Yes, okay. Who got number 1? Number 1.
Number 1.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Han, take a picture of me.
No. Number 3.
Yeah!
Number 3. Number 4.
Number 4.
Number 5. Ay, ano na ba ito akin to? Number 5.
Number 5 siya.
Number mabigat. Number 6.
Number 6. Sister Nora,
Number 7 is this one. Number 8.
Number
Now,
8.
number 8. You pick one. Pick one here. Pick here. And then you will distribute the other 7. That's from Sister Marcy for all of us.
Okay, Sister Marcy.
Thank you, Sister Marcy.
Thank you so much.
Now, okay. Meron ka rin isa. Dahil ikaw naman ito.
Saya naman.
Okay.
Ang saya.
Ikaw.
Oh.
This is all from Sister Marcy.
Mrs. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Sister Marcy. Oh, ang ganda-ganda naman.
This is considered one gift. But because ang gift niya is for every one of us, so you get one.
Ready?
Oh.
One.
Who's number 1?
Me.
Okay, 1.
Oh, lavender vanilla. Oh, I like the smell.
That's for your pillow and linen.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
I like the smell of that.
Oh, uy.
Uy, sasabihin ng apo ko, can I have that?
Ano,
Swerte nung ali.
hindi,
Sister.
Ewan kung kaninong galing to sa akin. Uy. Ako naman yan. Ito, kanino galing to? Uy.
I like this one. I like that.
I have a shampoo.
No, you have to wait for your number.
Yeah, number 2 nga siya. Number 2 nga siya. Number 2 nga si Sister Stella.
Okay. What
Isn't it?
So we don't know really who's gift you guys.
Okay, hold your
Ako, ang ganda, oh. I love this. Yeah, mabango.
You have
Yeah, I love that. I love this.
Oh!
kay Sister Alola.
Kitty, kitty. Oh, glitter, glitter, oh, Pasko. I love this. Okay, this one. I love it. It's a secret.
Secret Santa.
Wow, I like this. Naku, may pangano ako.
No, 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 no.
There's more.
There's more in the bag.
Sister Marcy yan.
Si Sister Marcy, ang daming pinangga.